Hello everyone, welcome to your channel that is Salesforce Geeks World. Our today's topic is lightning record pages, page layout and record types. This is very tricky topic for the beginners because people often wonder like what is the difference between a page layout, lightning record page and what are the like at what points we use them in Salesforce. So what are their applications basically in Salesforce? So what I'll do is without wasting time, I'll quickly go to the setup. Whatever I'm gonna explain here would be common and same for all the different objects. So I'm gonna take the example of account, but in a similar way, we can implement the record page, page layout, and record type to other objects as well. So let's take this account only as an example. As in our previous video, we have already discussed what is an object, what is a field, or like what all types of objects we have, what all types of fields we have. So let's, without wasting any time, let's get started. I'll click on page layout. So I have created two page layout already, that is distributed layout, manufacturer layout. Now, before understanding how we create a page layout and how we use it, let's understand where does this page layout comes into picture and what is the application. So let me go to, because this video is, in this video we are using the account table only, account object. I'll go to account tab in Salesforce. I'll create a new record. Let's create a what record. I have two record types. I'll explain what are they. So let's take in, I'll create one record of each record type. That is, first is distributor. So I'll click on next. I'll give the name as distributor here, and I'll select no. Let's keep it as active. Let's see what are the mandatory fields. SLA is a mandatory field. I'll give gold. Let's keep it as 26. Give as number. I'll save this. So as soon as this is saved, one distributor record is created. Let me edit and give the name as record so that we can differentiate what I'm talking about. So one distributor record is created. Similar to this, let's create one more record, that is manufacturer. Next, manufacturer record. Let's click on, let's give it as hot, click on save. So it is saved now. Now let's understand the difference. I'll open both of the records in different tabs. So first would be our distributor record. Second is our manufacturer. So let's do that. So first is distributor. I'll go to details tab. Then I'll open the manufacturer record and go to details tab. Now, from the looks of it, you can see that the amount of fields and the stuff that is visible over distributor is somewhat different than what is visible on manufacturer. Why it is? Because they both have different page layouts. I'll show you what page layouts they have. So now let's say I am on distributor. I want to know which layout is assigned on this record. So I can click on gear icon, click on setting, click on edit page. As soon as I click on edit page, it will give me the page layout name. So if I click on the detail tab, I click on this detail, see it's giving distributor layout. Now if I do the same thing on manufacturer record, click on edit page, and then I click on details tab, it is manufacturer layout. So one is manufacturer layout and another one is distributor layout. So this way we can find out they both have different layouts. Because they both have different layouts, the look and feel is different. The more number of fields are visible over manufacturer and less number of fields are visible over distributor layout. So the page layout implementation is you can differentiate in the same table like what type of fields would be visible to which type of records with the help of record types. Because when I went to account table, I clicked on new. These are not the names of page layout. These are record types. These record types have the page layout assigned to them. I'll show you how it is. So this is a page layout which is visible. Now, if I go to account table, this is the distributor layout. This is the manufacturer layout. And if I go to record types here, you would see that I have two record types, distributor and manufacturer. These two are the same record types which are visible when you click to go to the account tab, click on new. So these are the two record types. Now the question comes how where we are determining that which record type is being assigned to which layout. So it's been determined at the record type level only. You go to the record type, you click on page layout assignment, and you can edit the assignment of course. But if you see for all the profiles, I am having for all the profiles and record type distributor, I am having distributor layout assigned. Similar to that, for all the profiles and manufacturer record type, I have manufacturer layout assigned. So this is where we can do the record type assignments. If I click on edit, this is how we can do it. You click on edit, you select the profile on which you want to change the layout for distributor record types record. I click on manufacturer, it has updated. Now you just click on save, it will reflect. So this is how you do the record type assignment. For different record types, you can have different page layout assigned. Now let's see what all things comes under page layout. The record type is pretty much simple. You just go to record type, you click on new. Let's create one record type so that you would know what I'm talking about. So we already have distributor and manufacturer. Let's create one more, that is seller record type. So let's name it as seller record type. Then what we do, we make it available for all the profiles. We click on next. The next button as it is at the bottom. So I click on next. This all checkboxes checked means it is available for all profiles. Now the next and the important thing what it asks is when you create a new record type, it asks you which layout you want to assign it to. So basically every record type should have a layout assigned to it, so that when you create a new record with that record type, you would have a layout assigned to it by default. So there are two options here. Apply one layout to all profiles. So basically, when you create a seller record on account table, this page layout would be assigned to all the profiles, no matter who is creating the account. So let's say you want something different. You say that for when analytic cloud integration user profile user creates the seller account record type record, then assign the manufacturer layout to it. So basically the fields that are going to be visible on the detail page would come from manufacturer layout, but we don't want that. We are going to use this the default one. Where we would need to have one layout with respect to seller. So let's use distributor layout, or else let's create a new layout as well. So what I'll do is first I will create a new layout. For now let's keep it as distributor. We'll change it. So we have got a new layout created, that is seller record type. No new record type we have got, that is seller record type. Now let's create one layout. So this is the way how it looks. Now we are going to create a new page layout. So let's give seller layout, and we are going to copy it from the manufacturer only. Basically, you can, it's a kind of a template. What template you want to use? I want to use manufacturer layout. It will create me a new seller layout, but similar to what manufacturer layout is. So I click on save. So it has created me. Now let's go back to the record type and do the page layout assignment for seller. So I'll click on page layout assignment. So I'll click on edit assignment. I'll select all the this, like for all the profiles. I will select by clicking on shift and click. I'll do and it will select all. I'll select the seller layout for all the seller record type. I want seller layout on all profiles. So I'll click on save now. It will take some time to get saved because there are a lot of layout. Yeah, now it's saved now. So if you see, let it load. So if you see, on seller we have seller layout, on manufacturer we have manufacturer layout, on distributor we have distributor layout. Now if I want to edit the layouts, I click on edit. Let's say I want to do some edit on the seller layout. So what I'll do is I'll click on the layout first, click on this layout, click on edit, and say no, sorry, this is not the layout, this is a record type. Let's say I want to edit a layout. What I'll do is I go to the seller layout, I click on edit, and let's say I want to add or remove this section. So let's say I want to remove account number to this section. I'll select it, click on remove. It's removed now, and I want to add a related list to it. So I'll click on related list. This is a related list. I want to add asset in the related list. So I'll drag it, paste it here, click on save. So I'll click on yes. Now let's go to the account tab and create one record with the seller record type. So I'll click on new. This takes some time to reflect on the org. Like if when you create a new record type, it comes under new and it takes some time. So let we have to, yeah, now it's there. You click on seller, click on next. Now if you see, I have got less number of fields here. I'll keep seller account. I'll click on save. So if you see, the asset is added in the related list. So this means that a page layout derives the detail section of the record as well as related section. So any related list that you want to remove or add can be driven from page layout. Now similar to page layout, we have lightning pages as well in Salesforce. So if I go to details tab, click on edit, click on edit page. So this is a app builder. In the app builder, you will find the page layer, like the lightning record page name. So this is account record page. This is the name of the lightning record page. Now what is the difference between a page layout and lightning record page? So the detail section and the related sections are driven from page layout, but any component that you want to render or the page, like lightning page structure that you want to change, can be driven from the lightning record pages. So let's say I want to add one component here, chatter feed. So what I'll do, I can just drag it here at the top. So it will add the chatter feed here. Similar to that, if let's say I want to add one highlight panel here. So I have added this highlight panel again. Already it was there. I again added twice. Just for an example, I am doing this. I click on save. So I am doing a change in the lightning record page. I click on activate. It is save and activated. When I now the question it asks is, you want to use it as a org default or you want to use it on the app basis. So lightning record page also gives us an option that, let's say I'll switch the tab. So let's say you have, or click on 9 dots. there are, you see, these developer edition is one app, digital experience is one app, service is one app. Based on each app, if user logs in and goes in different app and click on account, select account in here. Let me select the account here, and they want to have a different look and feel of the same record based on the lightning record page, they can do it from the this lightning record page app builder. It's not possible in page layout, it will be same, but app level differentiation we can do from here. And similar to the page layout, we can do the record type assignment to the lightning record page. But for now, let's keep it as assign as of default, and we'll keep it for this desktop and phone. So, and save. So once it is saved, what you can do, you can go back to the record and see you would have two highlight panel, one chatter feed added. So if I go here, this takes some time again, so you have to refresh, you have to wait for some time. See, it has added two highlight panels for me, and chatter feed as well. Here it is chatter feed, and below this I have the details. So this is all about what we do with lightning record page, page layout, and record type in Salesforce. Hope this video help you guys. And if you want more interesting stuff, then please do subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more interesting videos over Salesforce. Thank you.